right, so take a look at the GasTapper GT Power Equipment Fluid Extractor. So we do have some simple instructions. But it's a siphon. Siphons really aren't that complicated. What's cool about this one, well, there's a lot of things that's cool about this one, but this is one of them. It actually has this little clip. So if you were just trying to use a standard hose or something like that, there's a chance it'll fall out of the bucket. That's what this is for. This is going to clip onto the hose, and you can see that there are different sizes for different sized hoses. And you can see we got a ridge crimp here, we got a single clip here, and we got a bottle crimp here. So this is going to clip onto whatever kind of a bucket or container that you're putting it in to make sure that this hose stays put. And then this is the siphon itself. So what's great about this, it's got a pump to actually get it going. You can hear that's got quite a bit of power behind it. But the great thing about siphons is once you get it running, it'll just stay running. But what's cool about this one in particular, I guess there's a lot of things that are cool about this one, but this one actually has an inline filter. So if you're going to be putting like gas inside of an engine that you really care about, this is going to help to filter out all those small particles so you can make sure that your engine stays clean. That's cool. I like seeing that. There's also this bit of hard tubing on there. And in my opinion, that's what makes this one stand out above other siphoning products, just the size of this hose. So you'll be able to fit this in nice tight areas. This is about 5/16. So you might be able to stick that down a dipstick tube, but for any kind of a fill tube or anything like that, this is going to fit down no problem. So you can actually extract that. So for example, if you have a drain plug that is seized on or something like that, or somebody welded or whatever, you can still get that fluid out and get that changeover done with this. We also have a strain relief spring on this side to help kind of keep it a little bit stiffer, which is good because this is a fairly flexible hose. The pump shows the flow direction, so it's going to come from this side through the filter, through the pump, and then out the soft side. This is kind of cool. They actually put another piece of hose on the outside to make sure that this spring doesn't fall off. So I'm going to clip on my little hose holder. And you can put this on either side so you can put it at the entrance or the exit. So whichever side needs it the most. Yeah, let's clip that right there. I got another bucket that I'm going to put on the floor because for a siphon to work, we do need to have some elevation difference between the entrance bucket and the exit bucket. So it needs to be able to flow down so gravity can do its work. I'm just going to start pumping. There we go. And we are running. Now because this hose is a little bit thinner, it is going to take a little bit longer to fill this up. That can be good if you're trying to get an exact fill, but it's also going to be good for just small equipment because you're not going to be dealing with anything more than like a gallon or a couple of gallons. But yeah, this guy is working no problem. That is no effort on my part. Let's sit back and let it do its thing. And then whenever we want to stop the siphon, all we got to do is lift this out and it will drain. And it does say when you're done to go ahead and run some water through this to clean it out, and then you are good to go. But yeah, I am very happy with that. That is a fantastic tool.